Hi, in this video today I'm going to completely reset this Epson ET2850 printer. I'm going to put it back to factory settings, the same as it was when it left the factory, because the Wi-Fi keeps playing up and I'm hoping that this may fix the issue. So turn it on and let it boot up. You can see now it's booted up. I'm going to zoom right in on this screen and we're going to be using the buttons here. Well, hopefully you'll be able to see that. We're going to keep moving. There you go, it says Wi-Fi is out of order, so I'm just going to OK that. I'm going to go to settings, so keep moving left and right until you get to settings, and I'm going to press OK. And now I'm going to press right until we get to number 8 out of 9. You can see there, restore default settings, and then I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to reset all of them, so I'm going to start on this one here, so I'm going to press OK. Do I wish to restore? I'm going to put OK. And it says defaults restored. Press OK again. Now I'm going to go back into it again, but this time I'm going to go to number 2 out of 4 and the copy settings. I am going to reset everything. Restore that. Now go into it again. Now I'm going to go to number 3. OK. Defaults restored. And now I'm going to go into number 4. Clear all data and settings. Okay, now obviously when you do this you're going to have to redo your Wi-Fi and everything again if it turns out that that fixes the problem. There you go, settings restored, restart the printer to continue. So now I'm going to restart it, turn the power off, okay, and it will take a little bit longer to shut down. When you turn it on again, it's going to be the same as when you bought it. It's going to ask you what language you want. You're going to have to put in your Wi-Fi details again. Hopefully this might fix your problem. In my instance here, it's not going to fix the problem because it's got a Wi-Fi issue. I think it's the actual Wi-Fi chip on the inside. But every now and then I can get it to work again by doing this. But it will fail again. There we go. You can now see it shut itself down. And now when we turn it on, can you see now it's asking what language we want? So I just selected English. And that's it. Now you will find that the Wi-Fi and any previous settings that you changed will need to be done again because it's the same as when you first of all bought it. So that's how to restore the settings on your Epson ET2850. Whether or not it fixes your faults will depend on what your fault is. If it's software related, it might fix it. But if it's hardware related, doing this is not going to fix the hardware side of it. But it's worth a go before you send it in for repair or throw it away. Thanks for watching.